Good morning. Morning, guys. How are you? How's everyone doing here? Morning, morning. Happy to be here another day. Still pretty sick, but good. Feeling good. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice. Oh, it's kind of weird, but yeah. I'm going to the beach later today, so to see if I can get these sickness out of me. That's an old school, my hometown fix. Just go to the beach when you have a flu or any like skin condition. Just a little bit of vitamin D and sodium is gonna fix that. I grew up in a beach town, so old people always tell you to go to the beach and get sun, and you feel better. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if you live in Miami or any beach town, if you go to the beach during the week, it's the best thing ever. What beach? Miami Beach. No, thank you, Breed. What charts are you guys looking for today? Apple, it looks like it finally it's gonna start to pull back. Amazon is right at the 215 to 16 level. Yeah, me too. I'm also watching that Bitcoin ETF or trust. I don't know the difference, but yeah, if I'm watching yesterday's low, that's a key level to watch for today. If rejects yesterday's low, that's our entry on iBit. For SPY, 594 and 590 supports, and 598, 600, 602 till 603 resistance. For the Q will be 516, pretty much what it is right now, kind of, and 520 resistance, and support it's 510, between 510 and 511. That's yesterday's low. SPY big watch yesterday high. Either if rejects or use it as support. Do we have any data today at 10? And anyone got that bounce yesterday on Palantir. That was a perfect gap close reversal bounce. We had no data today? Let me check that out. Tuesday. Yeah, we had data today at 10. Consumer sentiment. Oh, yeah, confidence. Consumer confidence. And then at 11:45, we have one Fed speaking. Hopefully, we're done before that time. Morning. Nice. You got that bounce on the queue? Nice. Oh yeah, sorry. I was watching yesterday's data. Yeah, it's new home sales. Yes. Okay. I like the SPY hold here. SPY's looking pretty good. The Q is weaker than SPY. Is rejecting the VWAP. Nice. 120, 130 support on Nvidia. I wanted to play this Apple rejection, but at the same time, I didn't want to play it because I don't want to go short on the strongest stocks that the market has right now. So basically, I was being a pussy, but it was a good setup. Because those Apple last 3 days daily candlesticks, they're all very weak. Ooh, ugly reaction there. $5.16 reaction on the Q. That is no bueno. Amazon reacting 216 to 15. That's also no bueno. I want to see Amazon holding 216. IBIT is rejecting the VWAP. Kinda getting ready to see if IBIT rejects yesterday's low. Let me see what contracts I wanna get. I will get definitely 1 month out. Oh, the 49. The 49. Oh no, I was looking at the put. At the calls. Yeah, 49 puts for the 28th. I'm not in yet. I'm just looking what contracts I want to get. And I will definitely get 1 month out because Bitcoin's been very weak lately. And IBIT has a huge gap below, big gap below. And I definitely think if you cannot hold yesterday's low, it could easily go to 47, even 46.50. Hi.
Foam so light, a gentle guide. Cappuccino keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet. Starting strong on rhythmic beat. Coffee dreams and bustling days. Fuel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip. Whisper steam in morning light. Chasing shadows out of sight. Sip by sip, the world awakes. New adventures, morning makes. Latte leaves a milky trace, but this foam holds steady grace. Every drop a spark divine. In this cup our stars align. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Or we could also play the upside on IBIT because it's holding the VWAP as support right now. And if we see the tech market bouncing, most likely it's gonna try to go to 50 and then yesterday high. But we'll see.
Morning sun just hit my face. Coffee's magic in this place. Whispered words ignite the spark. Fuel for ventures in the dark. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze.
Okay, so far the queue is a little bit choppy, but it's holding these like yesterday's resistance here. SPY definitely stronger than the queue, and it's going for yesterday high. Yes. Yep.
swirl around. In this brew, my joy is found. Eyes wide open, oh so clear. Cold brews whispers in my ear. Little moments big and bright. Sipping dreams till late at night. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop.
Food is moving pretty good. That's that one I posted on my watch list today. Trying to hold yesterday high. Let's see if we can really hold. I will say, let's see, 50. Yeah, 50. Okay, that's a nice move for the Q.
Silky smooth, a gentle drive. Flat white keeps my work alive.
If the Q pulls back here and he holds the VWAP, I'm gonna go long.
Chill vibes follow when it's near. Morning glow, it sees me through. Every sip, a world anew.
Let's see.
Taste the cream. Lost in liquid.
Give me a little pullback here.
Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet.
Okay, let's see if it's gonna hold the VWAP.
Pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
Okay, I'm gonna try it out here.
Dance of beans ground to delight. Warmth embraces day
Thank you.
and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
Okay, we have 4 minutes till data. I'm gonna sell one here. Are we gonna have a green day today? Maybe today is the bounce day that I'm expecting. I've been expecting the past few days. Well, I was expecting yesterday and Monday. Nice. Nice bounce here. Okay, it's SPY is pretty much 598. It's around yesterday high.
On this journey, never stop.
Let's see. It's right at pre-market high.
Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my
It's rejecting there so far.
singing sweet. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup.
Yeah, Tesla, it's been on a very strong downtrend, so not expecting much upside on Tesla. Maybe can have a green day, a bounce day. Oh yeah.
Warm and smooth, a steady stream. Latte carries me to my
Ooh, I don't like that candlestick on Spy Rider Resistance.
from the start. Sows my soul and warms my
Okay.
a blend of ease, a touch of glow.
4 minutes till data. We want to see a SPY here closing strong above pre-market high and at least closer to 598, which is the main resistance level that I see here.
These latte layers find my calm. Every sip
And
a gentle
here is Q pre-market high.
thoughts take wing. In this warm embrace I sing.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. I'm out. I like it. I'm like it. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Almost 10K on that trade. I traded with 10 PAs from Apex. We have data in 5 minutes. We have SPY rider resistance. It definitely still looks pretty bullish, especially the Q, but I'm happy with this.
Inspiration brewed just right.
We've been killing it this week.
Turns into delight.
That was easy.
These latte layers
That was easy.
find my calm. Every sip a gentle song.
We can see the difference when we have a very choppy market and when we have a trendy market. Even though the market, we played the upside today with the market being bearish the past few days, but still the market is really respecting the VWAP and the levels. And that's when we need to take advantage of trades, like maybe put a little bit more put a little bit more money into our trades, but never being crazy, right? But if we see the market like this trade, right? This trade was a very clean break and retest of the VWAP. So if we see the markets really respecting our levels or the VWAP, just take advantage of it and then get out on the next resistance. Like for me, I was looking at, yes, I was trading, watching the Q, like I was trading NQ because of this break and retest of the VWAP, but I noticed that the main stock to watch or ETF is just SPY. If we have a SPY at resistance, I'm gonna take my profits on even if I'm trading the Q, because look at this, the Q is not at pre-market high. I honestly don't have like a big level here, and it's rejecting because the SPY is rejecting resistance. It has, here is pre-market high and yesterday high. And I scalp with futures, and I look for a big move when I'm trading options.
Liquid calm, it's pure delight.
Oh, that's great, Carlos.
Stay awake, but not too bold. Perfect blend, I'm feeling gold.
Amazon, what is, okay, Amazon is a big watch for me.
Claim the day, no need to rush.
Amazon is looking pretty good. Look at that candlestick. That's definitely an indication that the Q doesn't want to go lower. That's a very strong bounce out of the VWAP. But again, SPY is still at resistance. Ooh, I like this Amazon bounce. The problem now is SPY. Yeah, so the whole idea of the stream, at least for me, my stream is not like, it's not really showing you guys my trade. It's more about me. I use this kind of like a diary, like my journal. When it comes to trading, I'm here just saying out loud what I'm thinking, right? What I'm seeing in the markets. This is not for you guys to copy my trades, or this is not a signal channel. And it's also not for me to show off how much I make or even how much I lose, because people love seeing like other traders losing money. So I only use these as my journal. I say aloud what I'm looking at, and so you guys can see and understand why I'm taking a trade. And also it's my way of, when I'm done with my trading, I can look back at these videos and see what was my mistake if I end up red. Pretty much to keep me in check. Yeah, I use TradeAway to copy trading. Okay, I like this Amazon break-in retest 216. Yeah, the Q is definitely weaker than SPY. It's having even trouble to go to pre-market high. Only on Fridays? I know Fridays are really bad days for me. That's why I try my best to keep myself out of my computer on Fridays. Meta? What's Meta doing? Let's see. Oh yeah, that was a very nice 660, 664 bounce on Meta. Or yesterday high bounce. That was very clean. Tesla is so weak. It's insane. But it still has two gaps below I will say if goes down and fill the gap that it has around 220, I will be buying Tesla no matter what. I will be buying the dip like without even thinking about it. Oh yeah, that if you work remote, just yeah, that's difficult. It's crazy how perfect levels work. Like, look how SPY touched 590 yesterday and then just bounced there very strongly. So now we just gotta be patient here because the market is not doing much. Especially the Q. The Q is super choppy. Now. Palantir, very weak also. IBIT looking pretty strong above the VWAP. Now let me see what coin is doing. Okay. I want to see coin under the VWAP. I like this Amazon hold. Amazon holding 130 on Nvidia. Those weeks on QQQ are crazy. I'm happy that I closed my trade, to be honest.
Afternoon breezes, stories unfold. Mysteries in streets of old. Clock hands dance what tales they tell. Loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's gray.
I'm happy that I closed my trades because these candlestick could easily make me like this one would have definitely made me give back pretty much everything. Warning, what did you miss? I made a trade and I made almost 10k. You know, nothing. 10k in 2 minutes. I wish every day was this easy. Lone Baba. I don't like playing Chinese stocks, to be honest. So let's check it out. Why are you Lone Baba? It's in the middle of the gap. It's rejecting that couldn't go higher. Yes, but it's like it's not a good level that I will not be looking to enter here. Where is right at resistance, is rejecting resistance, and it has a gap below. That is super high risk play to the upside. Yeah. And look at these candlesticks. Those are weird. It keeps going higher with very weird candlesticks. I guess it's moving based on news or something like that. But it's been on a crazy uptrend. Ooh, yeah. Crazy uptrend. It has a gap above also. Above this high. There's a big gap here. Wait, I don't like this.
One shot, two shots, I'm ready to go. Fuel in the fire, letting the work flow. Bold and strong, no time to
Any charts you guys looking for today? Let's go through charts. I think it's no CrowdStrike and CRM has earnings this week, right? Yeah, so Snow has earnings, so it's a no for me. CRM also has earnings, so it's a no for me. CrowdStrike. Okay, it has earnings next week, so it's not too bad. You could definitely swing trade this week. But I will say 400. 400 will be the level that we want to see acting as a board, which is looking like it wants to go there. That was a nice hold here around 380. Okay, let's see. SPY going. Okay, if the Q can give us a break and retest here, we could play the upside. Okay, let's keep going through charts while I'll wait for the Q to break pre-market high. Okay, so CrowdStrike 400 will be the level that we want to see breaking and maybe play the upside, but remember it has earnings next week. Go D-Dog. Ooh. It looked so good here, but I guess it had bad earnings. Oh no, it had good earnings, maybe bad guidelines. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that was looking good until earnings. Microsoft, let's see. Nice hold here, definitely. Now this is resistance. I don't know. Yeah, I can see it maybe going higher, but I don't love this chart. Microsoft is doing very, very choppy. I don't love it. OSCR, what's that? Oh, Oscar. This is a stock that barely move. So no, that is not something I'd be interested in trading. Amazon, guys. Amazon is the perfect one. Look at beautiful break and retest out of the 216 level. Look at that. Anyone got that? I posted today the 216 level on my watch list, and I told you guys it's making a break and retest here. Anyone got that? So basically you can enter here and your stop loss will be today's low. If you wanna be high, kind of a little bit high risk, use today's low as your stop loss. If you don't wanna like deal with this, just use the view app. What else? Oh, Google yesterday filled the gap. Let's see what it's doing today. It's not doing much. I will say if can hold today's high as support. No, you know what? I would prefer to let Google to leave it alone today and then see if it can really sorry. Excuse me. So I will prefer to leave Google and alone today and see if it's gonna close like that today, and then just wait for tomorrow a hold of today's high. So basically waiting Amazon, what Amazon did yesterday and today, that's what you want to wait and see on Google. Yeah. Thank you. So Amazon is your future if you want to trade Google. IWM. Oh yeah, definitely. I will say this high will be definitely less risky. Yeah, this high. This is Monday high. If it can hold Monday high as support, I definitely like it for more upside. Because I like this daily candle here yesterday. It's bouncing out of this daily candle yesterday. But yeah, I like less risky trade will be waiting for a break-in retest holding Monday high. So just put your alerts there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a alert there a little bit higher than Monday high because I want to see a break and retest. I want to see a strong break and then a retest. So this could be a next swing trade, maybe. That was a nice 214 bounce yesterday. Clean, very, very clean. Ooh, Q. $600 is the next small resistance here on SPY, like intraday resistance, but I think the main one is this one, 602, 603 level. Look at how clean Spy was here, breaking retest of the pre-market high. Amazon going. Anyone on Amazon?
Energy in every stream, winging on that caffeine dream. Unfazed by the day's bright gleam, riding high on coffee's beam. From dawn till dusk, no slowing pace.
Nvidia beautiful 130 hold.
Visions trace in every brew. We celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate. Chocolate dreams that never sleep. Coffee whispers secrets deep. A mocha love that fills the air. Sweet productivity everywhere. Morning rituals therapy. Caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful bites, a magic spell. In this mocha world I dwell. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on
I was looking for music to play here, and I got this YouTube video playlist that is coffee beats. And it's funny and I like it. All the songs are about drinking coffee or making coffee.
chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush.
Anyone got these on the queue?
It feels so bright. With this blend, my day takes flight.
Yeah, I do think Nvidia's earnings today is very important. I love coffee too. But coffee doesn't do anything to me. I love the taste of a good triple shot cappuccino.
Light a gentle guide. Cappuccino keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet. Starting strong on rhythmic beat. Coffee dreams and bustling days. Feel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper.
I always order like triple shot cappuccino because in South America we have so many different ways of drinking coffee that I cannot find them here in the state. You just need to add like extra shots, but it's still not the same. Like the way that I like drinking my coffee back home, it's called brown, which is kind of strong coffee with a little bit of milk. But it's not a cappuccino. Obviously, it's not a American coffee. It's not a cortadito. Here, people is just like love putting, like going to Starbucks and adding a bunch of sugar, like the pumpkin flavor or whatever flavor. They always have new flavor, and it's just a bunch of sugar.
Every drop a spark divine. In this cup our stars align.
See, like cake creamer, that's just a bunch of fake flavors with sugar, a lot of sugar. But in South America, we have a lot of different ways of making coffee or drinking coffee, but it's based on the coffee, not with adding fake flavors with a bunch of sugar or different milks. That's how different coffees are made here.
Chilled and smooth, it sets the tone. Cold brew helps me own my zone. Every sip a calm embrace. Chasing dreams at my own pace. Morning sun just hit my face. Coffee's magic in this place. Whispered words ignite the spark. Fuel for ventures in the dark. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip
So coffee, a little bit of coffee with a lot of sugar. Back home, we call it feeding bottle. So you're drinking coffee like a baby, pretty much.
no rush, no race, just feeling right. Cold brew, love in morning light. A dance, a jump, a twirl around. In this brew, my joy is found. Eyes wide open, no
You want to see this label holding here on the queue. Oh.
sipping dreams till late at night. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind at ease.
Yeah, sometimes I also, I made my protein shake and then I add coffee and it's delicious. And a little bit of cinnamon, pretty good.
Silky smooth,
Okay, so the queue is definitely pretty weak.
white keeps
Could not even hold pre-market high. Let's see if you can hold the VWAP.
vibes follow when it's near. Morning glow, it sees me through. Every sip, a world.
You don't need me to show that chart because you guys should know what I'm talking about with iBeat because I posted on my pre-market watch list on my Discord. So you have what I'm looking at there, what I'm looking to trade there, and my levels.
Uplifting with each little sup.
That's an ugly reaction.
the world feels right. Foamy touch a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents gentle
Ugly reaction on the Q.
filled with joy.
Is it gonna hold the VWAP? If SPY keeps going lower and goes to a VWAP, the Q is just gonna die here.
Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup. Uplifting with each little sup.
598. Still here, a very important level for SPY. $5.98 is a 50 DMA. Well, that's another reason why I don't really use any indicators, because only with levels you know what are the important prices to watch out. Like 598. I don't need an indicator to tell me that. We have it here on levels.
Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm.
A nice bounce out of the VWAP here on the Q. But I still don't like it how the Q is moving.
Love pours down in every cup. Uplifting with each little sup. Warm and smooth, a steady stream. Latte carries me to my dream. Sips of comfort from the start. Sows my soul and warms my heart. A blend of ease, a touch of glow. Whispers sweet in every flow. A sanctuary in each cup. When the world just gets too much. In these latte layers, find my calm. Every sip, a gentle song. Ideas flourish, thoughts take wing.
Come on, Q, just go.
Embrace I sing.
Okay, I did a bounce play there with my Tradeify accounts, and I'm done for today. That was a clean VWAP bounce. Yep.
The silky dance. Moments, pieces, sweet romance. Hidden strength in every taste. No sip ever goes to waste. Caramel drips and hazelnut. Through the layers, love is put.
Well, I like this hold on SMCI. That's pretty good for our trade, for our lips and our shares.
Into delight. In these
I love this play, to be honest. Well, if you are in this one with me, we bought when everyone was selling. Everyone was freaking out with this one, with SMCI. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy the dip. That's what you do. That's how a lot of people, like wealthy people, make money. When you have a stock that goes down more than 10%, that's a lot. They just buy the dip. So now I'm up 10k, over 10k.
Morning fog, but now it's clear.
I'm pretty much done, but I'm gonna be here with you guys maybe till 11.
Half awake yet fully numb. Cortado helps me claim my zone. City buzz and crowded streets. Balanced tones make my heart beat. Half and half, no need to roam. In a cup, I found my
I didn't trade any stock. I trade futures today.
on my path.
So, well, you can say I traded stock because I traded NQ twice based on the QQQ chart.
Find control. Cortado gives me back my soul.
Another really good day this week. We're killing it this week.
Liquid calm, it's pure delight. Stay awake, but not too bold. Perfect blend.
So far today looks like a bounce day. Right? Don't get too excited because the market is not bullish. This is still on a downtrend, but it's bouncing. We're having a green day. We need either a huge green day or a couple of days making higher high and higher low to say the market is bullish now.
Sip the peace in such a hush. Take a break, let life unfold. Simple pleasures worth their hold. Keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back my soul.
Short and bold, it hits just right. Ristretto powers me through the night. A tiny shot, a mighty lift. Focused vibes are its special gift. Steaming hot and dark as gold. In every drop, a story told. Wake me up and set me free. Ristretto, can't you see? Sip it slow, let it flow. In the cafe where dreams grow. Small
Beautiful, beautiful 598 hold on SPY. Nvidia looks like it's flagging, but honestly, I'm not looking to trade Nvidia before earnings. Nvidia has earnings today. It's today, yeah. So for me, there's no reason to trade that one.
dreams through sun and rain. Tiny cup, but huge in might. Ristretto shining bright. Dark and rich, it fuels my fire. Taking me ever higher. One shot to rule them all. Ristretto, hear the call. Sip it slow, let it flow. In the cafe where dreams grow. Small dose.
I kind of want to take a shot on Palantir calls. But I don't. It will be calls for like 3 weeks out with a stop loss. at yesterday's low. It rejects yesterday's low. I kind of feel like a little bit risky, but at the same time, I really like this hold here after filling the gap. It can still go a little bit lower to 84, though. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it. You need to on Google. We already talked about Google. Where were you? It's exactly the same play as Amazon. Exactly the same play as Amazon. Apple is weak. Maybe that's why here it's Spine Cure having so much trouble holding it. I love this playlist. Every single song is about coffee. And they're good songs. It's a YouTube video here. It's this one. I got tired of the one that I have on Spotify. Spotify doesn't have too many like copyrights free songs, so we've been listening to that one for like months and months. So I'm tired of that one, and I'm kind of looking for new playlists that are copyright free, or at least I'm able to share. They allow you to share the profits. So I don't understand why the big music people don't allow it. If I were a musician, I would allow everyone to use my music and then just share the profits. But here on YouTube, you cannot do that. My favorite coffee brand. I forgot the name, but it's a yellow. I think it's Colombian. Let me check. Or Cuban, maybe. Bustelo is the one. It's Cuban. Apparently it's from New York, but it's a Cuban style coffee.
Whipped cream kisses, coffee so sweet. Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. Morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that slowly thrill. Whispers of a city wide awake, finding joy in each mistake.
I also really like Merida coffee, which is a Venezuelan brand.
Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways.
Is it me or the market has just stopped moving? For a minute, I thought my chart were frozen.
Afternoon breezes, stories unfold, mysteries in streets of old. Clock hands dance what tales they tell, loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace. Every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet their dance, chance on chance.
Yeah, definitely when you see consolidation like this, most likely it's gonna continue its trend. So yes, that SPY definitely looks like it's consolidating. It's consolidating at support. Kinda looks like a bull flag. I would love to see it like going a little bit lower, maybe closer to the VWAP. That would be an amazing entry. To play the upside continuation. But I need SPY to move. To go lower to the VWAP so I can take this trade because I'm going to the beach in a few hours and I need to get ready. Gonna eat something. I'm starving. I'm so sore. I played Peekaboo like 3 hours yesterday. And I haven't been playing in like 3 weeks. And everything hurts now. I'm old. Yeah, good. The consolidation is pretty good. Pretty bullish. UPS? Let's see. It's inside a gap. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. I like this chart. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. It's inside a gap. You need to pay attention to this resistance inside a gap. Inside the gap, it's right now is rejecting this one here. First one here. And then You have the 100, I think it is 100 and 200 daily moving average above. So that means most likely it's gonna try to go higher and at least retest any of these moving averages. And it has some resistance here too. So what I'm looking here is, and all these is the gap, right? This is a pretty good chart. Thank you for bringing this chart to me. Okay, so if rejects here what it is right now, I would like to see it back down to the beginning of the gap. So maybe we can enter here and play an upside continuation, at least to this resistance here. 120, 121, I will say. Yes. So yeah, I definitely like this chart. Let's put it like this. Yes. I'm gonna put a alert here near 116, above 116, just to be prepared for a possible pullback here and look for entries. Yeah, I definitely like that chart. I do like it. Big gap above. So to play this gap, we can definitely buy lips or shares, or just like, yeah, lips. 6 month out contracts, maybe 3 months out contracts. I would like it more 6 or 1 year out contracts. Yeah. I don't know why. I don't remember why Apple. Oh no, when the market was going up, Apple was going down because it was receiving bad news from China. So yeah, put alerts on this chart. This could be a nice trade. Nice trade. CEG. Too choppy. This chart is too choppy. Yeah, they could definitely go higher here if it breaks today high and use it as support, like this high here. Yeah. 280, a little bit above 280 will be the level you want to see it holding. I would say, just to make sure, 281. Let's see how. Yeah, but it looks like it's flagging, holding the VWAP, so definitely looks like it wants to go higher. What is FedEx doing? Super choppy chart also. Very choppy. Let's see what HIMS is doing. Ooh, nice rejection here. Nice rejection here. This Monday low rejection. That was perfect. Like it. What's the Reddit ticker? Okay. RDD. Ooh. Look at this Reddit. Okay, I like Reddit here. Definitely really trying to hold this level. Let me see. It's near the 200 daily. Let me see the volume. The volume is going lower. That's good because we want to see volume going lower on this downtrend. That could mean sellers are getting tired and going down. So down in demand. Yeah, it's good. When you see a downtrend that is losing volume, that means it's getting ready to most likely change direction. But obviously you don't wanna go like blindly and just buy the dip. You wanna wait for breaks or hold of key levels. And that's what Reddit is doing right now. It's holding very strongly this 155, 160 level that it held very strongly in the past. So that's a very important level here. I like this chart. Let's see how contracts are moving. DDT. $68. Ivy is pretty good. The contracts are a little expensive, like almost $800 for the 170 calls for March 14th. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit cheaper. I thought it was gonna be like 400 for a call. I'm thinking if I wanna take this trade or not. Yeah, I'm gonna get the 170 calls for the 21st. Yeah, I got that one. I like that chart. Me like it. My stop loss is gonna be this Monday low. So basically I want to see it holding this support. If rejects Monday low, that's my way to get out. It definitely has some resistance here, but it looks more like here. All this maybe. So those will be my PTs. When are their earnings? They had it. They already had earnings. When was it? On the 12th? Yeah. Okay. I'm done for today, guys. It's 11 o'clock. I'm starving. I'm going to the beach. Watch out for yesterday's high and Monday low. Yeah, today is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Yesterday high and Monday low are the next big resistance that I see on the Q. Around 520, I will say. Yes. And for SPY, watch out for 600, but the main one is between 603 and 602. 602 and 603, that's Monday high. And 600, it's Friday low. So, yeah, keep in mind that pullbacks here, VWAP hold. If you want to play the upside continuation, just watch out for VWAP holds. It's getting pretty choppy. So I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Bye. Oh, like the video. Bye.